Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a thumbnail or a sort of main image, overview image to your reels on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, this is very easily done. However, as you could probably guess, it is only available to the people who posted those reels. So let me just go into my account. I already have some reels on my account. And let's say I want to change the thumbnail of a few of these reels or one of these reels. So let me just click on this one. And as you can see, I have this reel right over here. Now, what you need to do is enter the editing page of that reel. You can also do this while you are creating that said reel before you post it. However, you can also add it after the fact, so it's very easily done. Now, what you need to do once you're in the reel that you want, click on the three dots or the ellipses in the bottom right, and from here you need to go ahead and click on Manage. From here, as you'll see at the very top, you have Edit. This is also available if you go into the post view, just like this. If it's like a feed, click on the three dots in the top right, and you'll see the Edit button somewhere around the middle. Here, you can just click edit, and as you can see from here, you can click edit again on the very reel. As you can see on the image in the bottom left, you have edit, so just click on that, and as you can see, you can select a cover image from the video, or you can add it from the camera roll and add text as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select one from the video, and for some reason it doesn't want to show me, and if I click done, nothing happens, but you can very easily do this and it should work for you. As I mentioned, you can also click on the blue button and add it from the camera roll. I won't be doing that, but that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.